Hello everyone! In this quick video, I'll show you how to add another credit card to your Capital One account. So let's get started. First, open the Capital One app and sign in to your account. Tap on your profile picture in the top corner. Go to Account and Feature Settings. Next, select credit or debit card settings, then tap Link a card. Enter your new card details to link it to your Capital One app. And that's it. Your new credit card is now added to your Capital One account, ready to view and manage anytime. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.